Wash your hands. Hello there. Today we are making breakfast sandwiches. Our supplies today are a spatula, a skillet, a bowl, a fork, a plate, English muffins, 1 egg, sliced cheese. It can be any type of cheese, Swiss, American. I've got Colby, even Velveeta, any type of cheese you like. A meat. We could have used the sausage I just made, or I'm using ham slices. You can use turkey slices, roast beef, use whatever you got. And of course, we're going to need a spray for our skillet. Let's get started. Okay, first step, we're going to take out our English muffin. Put our 2 slices of English muffin on the plate. Then we're going to add a slice of cheese. Like I said, I like Colby. You could use American cheese, you can use Swiss cheese, you can use Velveeta cheese, any type of cheese you can put on this sandwich. Next, I'm going to add some slices of ham. If you don't like ham, you can add sliced turkey, pastrami, sausage. I like ham and cheese. Next step, take your 1 egg, crack it. And I'm gonna stir it. I'm gonna whisk it with a fork. All right, now it's time to put our skillet on the stove. Turn the stove to medium heat. I'm gonna add some cooking spray. And next, I'm going to add my egg to the skillet. All right, we're making it sort of like an omelet. So I've just kind of been moving the sides, the 4 sides of my omelet. Now I'm gonna flip it. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Next step, I'm going to take my omelet. I'm gonna stick it on the cheese so it'll melt the cheese. Then I'm going to take my ham side and it's gonna warm up my ham. And there you have it. Oh yeah, don't forget, turn off that stove. So we're gonna let that hot egg melt our cheese and our ham. That is a perfect breakfast sandwich. All right, this looks so good. But you know what? I don't want a ham and cheese egg sandwich. I want cold cereal. So I'm not gonna waste this. I'm gonna give it to one of my friends. I know who to give this to. So I'm gonna pack it up. Keep it nice and warm. Put it in my trusty lunch container. And I'm off to my friend's house. It's a surprise who's going to get this. Can you guess who's going to get this wonderful sandwich? Anyone? Anyone? Nobody? Let's find out.
Wow, what a surprise! A lunch! Oh.
Put food back in the fridge. Put food back in the pantry. Wash the dishes. Throw away trash.